ngila tre kini ke kam la kum bakhat lai snem ye menta but ka average turnover jingi kala long kum balai pesan la ke ngila Bniah re kom tre kam jingi limbaga services ke bing ai ki tourist tang haki hakasor bat ngila ya ki nong kondong ba pero man lau snem ngila nang keu bat ngila nang kwa ban penhe shushu kini ke kam ko bing tre
ngila sedang ye Little Sunshine Boutique and Nursery House nam ahaja arway bat hakapor bangi sedang ye Kham don kanu ke jing bay pisa ke bahia idon tangi ke jing mut ke jing trang ba ke jing thumu pen orlong ya kini ke kam mentai ngila shna ye kai ke bas Kham ngidon ki customer ki buan nakapor shakapor ka kin hun tre ka ba klan bat ru ngila nang kiu na way usnam sha way pat
ka thong ki yong i na du asdang ta kwa i upen he ye kini ke kam ki yong i chiki wi wan ki jinla dadak chna i ye ke jing stang katewan kam i yo pun ku chu i kini ka khi ki yong i chiki yaw ka wat me matle yo open bha i ye kini ka sap ka wade lupa i nei te wan yo i open scam ni ka nong rim yang kini ka kam ka wade dap sen i kwa ile uchna but yo e kam ile ye kiwi yo open kam i ye kini ki bot technology kiwa ye open bha chu ye ka kam ka yong i kwa uchna ki ne khalia kiwa yu yen scam chikling hai
haba piladap banseng bat penyeng nong remya ke kam kasin jam ke bobot kolong kumno bopin penhe pensan rengkat ke Jingïap ke pebiang ke megapreneur ke deka rensan tang ba ke deka Jingïap Henry ke deka rensan ke ba ailat ipi bopin ye kendu iki beri baper bat bopin yo ke Jingïap ke Kham Bniah kumno ban kentie ke kam ki jam jumpi
ka megapreneur startup challenge ke deka Jingïap banwat ya ki santli ki kam balas dang dalade ban mikmat ya ke jilla Meghalaya ha ke grand pitching segment jong ka megapreneur expo ahaja arpusan ke deka kabu ke bakerpang bat pen pau perthei ya ki kam ki ba ki lasdang ban kendu bat ya kren bat ya ki investors dan ki nong bay pisa bat ban nang kentiu shushu ya ki kam ki jongki
pada pikwa bani shimta kani Pidi bandai kinong song jong jela Meghalaya. Pidi bandai ru kinong India ki balak palat eka kat paras nem seneng. Pidi bandai kita ki registered private limited companies. Tane pidi ban long ki bakloi ban register. Pihak ban peni ba katon over jong fi kala cross eka live san lak seneng. Lane pihak ban peni ba pidon eka bor ban yo eka ni. De bandan eka kam lane eka tiar balak ban pendon kam. Eka team ke bas Kham. Eka jing yo anong na waves nem sha away. De ban ai kam ai jam ki way. De bandan ke jing shna ba thamai ki tiar lane ki kam ki jong phi. Pidi banlong ki bekloi ban pendon kam ke teknologi penem pediang ye kinu ki kam ki baidai bat ka kam khai dan ki bai tre sieng kani ke de nam ta ki nong seng kam seng jam daladi
nakeleng ke jela Meghalaya on jet ya apsan ngut ki nong seng kam ban pitch hakaron ke banwan bat nakini sangut kinyo ekalat ban mikmat ya kajilla haka megapreneur expo ahaja arpusan
Wilayah lembah ke jinjenjar mentang ente rengkat bagi jingkersan ngin kentie ke jela Meghalaya
Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor usembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba Prestone tunsong ulong ba kalong ke badan kam banti Bniah ban lap ke jing shisha ke baydai bat ke jinglong jingman jong ke Jingïap jong Insaphira bat bantip balai bukena ba kalai senam karta shim la pentip mardor syapangene ke jingja uba Prestone tunsong ulong buladap ban Bthah ke kenhon special investigation team ban ngam jeliu syu halor ke jingja ke basngosi bat balai bunu kena shim la pentip mardor balai ulas ngap jar bat le kom ubam benai eru ban chupen mau I have read Insaphira leng dok mau nai ilaja na lagi yang sa akapor prabje men step jong kakat sau terek unai luar haka kai pot postmortem la pentikna baga Jingïap kade na ke jingam jelop bat shim la don kinu gunu kidak jong ke jing sha thombor ne ban cha le klam akor
already given the statement. So see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12, 13 years old. that boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with his statement. So that statement, continue. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way? And number two, why that boy did not inform immediately about this incident? Why he kept quiet? Why he pretended as if he don't know anything? So the team is still on to really get into a deeper facts where, if I personally feel, if they have any kind of hiding somewhere here and there.
Halor ke jing dawa jeng ke kenhon seng bhalang ba ukonrat kongkal sangma ude ban her sukino bat ban IT ke kam menteri rang ba syai kinong yalam ke badi khasi na jantia nakliang ba Prestone tunsong ubolong presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ulong ba amdan kam ban kentho ekane ne ban wanra ke jing so ya pher jat ben rio bat komta lo snow om dei ban ekran halor kani uba Prestone tunsong ula banjor ba ke ba kham kongsan kalong ban pentikna ki kam penroi jong gejela bat ega bha kamyat bagade ban don ru hagalenti ke badai.
In fact, the reshuffling takes place every now and then, and number two, everywhere. I think in India, so it's not a new thing. See, I think prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I've already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM. Because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party NPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party. Which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say. So it happened, and I think you have seen it. So yes, of course, those who ultimately became a victim of the reshuffling, we do have that sad and bad feeling. That is always there. But I am sure whatever decision taken, be it by the party or be it by the chief minister, it will be for the benefit of the state as a whole. I don't have to react anything on this, because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let our people also understand. If you say yes, you bringing in chief minister maybe from West Bengal, or maybe from Bangladesh, or maybe from Assam, yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Prestone Tunsong uli thok ba kesorkar jela kadang ap kakai pot jong ke expert committee haswa bagan cheme kanu no kesenjam halor gejing keno kentur pot ke skol ba USTM syakajaka klau. Uba Prestone Tunsong ulong bala Bthah ya ke expert committee bela clear do additional deputy commissioner ke district Ribhoi berkentup bagi dekhot na ke pollution control board mining bat geology bat ki bor penyak district bagian IT ke kai pot jing Tohkit hapo ke khat santarik Risau bat kene ke committee kan jurep ke jaka bat ai ke kai pot ke Bniah halo ke jing keno ba ke USTM kala kentur syakijaka klau.